Okay. Hi, all. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay. Okay. So everyone done with the assignment which I given list operations and all. Mm,
Yes, sir.
okay. Mm. Sheikh Imran, have you done? Sheikh Imran,
Hello.
yeah. Have you done with the assignment?
No, sir. Like today, I will complete it, sir. Like actually, I came to my hometown, sir. So that's the reason. I'll complete it today, sir. Like rest
Okay.
of the classes, I have listened and I have made my notes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And what about you, Gautami? Gautami, have you done with your assignment? Mm. Cool then. Today, so what happened? In the last class, we discussed about operators. In operators, we discussed about identity operator and membership operator and logical operators. So today, I'll go through examples so that you will understand little more. Okay. So guys, whosever background is clear, there is no noise. You can turn on your audio so that class will be interactive, so that it will be some kind of fun. It is for you only, guys. Okay. I'll also understand you guys are getting something like that. Okay. You just turn on your audio.
Okay, sir.
Cool. I hope my screen is visible to you, right?
Not visible, sir.
No, sir.
1 second.
No, sir. Visible.
Now it is
No, sir.
still.
No, sir.
Oh, what happened? Now it is visible.
Visible, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now which screen are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see the PPT or that browser?
Browser, sir. June.
Browser, sir.
Browser, sir.
You're dropping food, so you go back. So they come and
Now,
No,
have
sir.
you?
No,
No.
sir.
No, no, sir.
Okay. What should I do now? I don't know why it is. I'll rejoin. Just keep it there only. I'll rejoin.
ఉంది.
Guys, now are you able to see my screen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Happened. Just allow me 5 minutes. I'll download app and then I'll see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You don't go for food. Take a curry today.
Okay, okay. One egg. One egg only.
Curry, not egg.
Okay, curry.
Cutting egg and
Okay, okay, fry, fry.
Guys, my screen is visible to you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible.
Black వస్తుంది.
Okay.
ఇందాక వచ్చిపోయింది. వచ్చింది.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So today so now I hope my screen is visible to you. Right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Where is this hide function? So first I'll go through identity function. Okay. Identity means whether it is or is not, right? Guys, you should be talk so that I'll try to understand. Hello. Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please.
Sir, you are audible.
Yeah, okay. Fine. So guys, so identity operator. Identity operator means whether is or is not. So so with this we can compare two variables, something like this. See, x1 is y1 or x2 is y2 or x3 is y3, something like that. Okay. So similar. So you can see x1 is not y1. So x1 is 5. Y1 is 5. What I'm if I do like this, x1 is y1, it will print true. X1 is y1 and it will print true. For example, in case of is, if I keep is not, then x1 is not y1. So he is telling that x1 is not y1. He's telling x1 is is not y1, so that it will print false. And similarly, when I'm comparing, this is with one integer variable. Similarly, I'm comparing with string. X2 is y2. X2 is y2. Then it will print. It will print true. Similarly, x3 is y3. So it will print false. Why it will print false, I'll explain. Python 3 operator identity. See, false. Okay. You can see x1 is y1, it printed true. X1 is not y1, it is false. X2 is y2, then it is printed true. And x3 is y3 is false. Why? Because whenever we will store this particular list in some variable, it works based on address. So x3 address and y3 address is both are different. That's why it will print false. So x3, for example, in memory, for example, x3, it printed, for example, this is integer. Let's have 300, 304, and 308, something like that. It will store, and here it will store one address. This is 2, and this is 3. Okay, and similarly, y3 also it will print this is somewhere around where, so wherever memory is free, it will store 504 and 508, so that we are comparing x3 is y3. So if I want x3, then it will consider as 300 address, it will consider 300 not equals to 500, so that's why it prints false. I hope you got it. If not, then I'll explain one more time. Identity operator means just is or is not. That's it. Someone asked me what is, and I'll go through, if you are clear, I'll go through membership operator so that you'll get somewhat clear. So message equals to hello world and dict equals to 1, 2, 3. So they'll confuse what I'll do here. I'll do. So what I'm doing, I'm checking. In and not in, both are membership operator. So membership, so whether it is member of the particular string or member of list, member of dictionary. So print h in message. So h is available, right? H. So that it will print true. Let's assume, so hello is hello in message. Hello is a small HELLO, right? So it will print false if I'll ask. And let's assume one more example here is that hello not in this one, then it will print true. Got it? So it is kind of whether the whatever searching string or searching character or searching key or searching item, that item can be string, integer, list, or it will compare. Okay. It will check whether it is member of the particular iterable or not. Then it will tell. And similarly, one more example, dict equals to 1A, 2B, something like that. So dict, whenever we will search, it will search by default, it will search key. So 1 in dict 1, so that 1 is present, so it will return true. And similarly, I want to search something different, A in dict 2, so that it will print
False.
false. Exactly. So now you guys, you got clarity, right? What is membership and what is identity operator? Identity, just check whether both are same or not, something like that. And membership, whether it contains, that particular member is contained in the iterable. That iterable may be list, maybe dictionary, maybe whatever, string. Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
time complexity for in operator will be order of n, sir.
Yes, because it will search one item by another item, right? So that's why. For example, if I want to search last D, so what it will go? It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that. Okay. I hope you got it. Once you got it, then I'll go to membership. What is this? Logical operator. So the logical and logical are right. So if true and true, then it is true. True and false, it is false. True or false. Or you just need to remember or and not. You need to see. Similarly, you can add all other statements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if everyone is clear, then I'll move into another topic. Today, control structures I'll go to. I hope it is clear for everyone. ఎవరికన్నా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి అమ్మా ఒకసారి, సో దట్ ఐల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వన్ మోర్. ఏది లాజికల్ ఆపరేటరా?
అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్.
So logical operator is nothing but whenever we are comparing two statements or two expressions or two variables, and in that particular time, logical and, if both variable, for example, I can store a equals to true, I can store a equals to true, b equals to false. I want to see logically a and b, so that output will be logical gates you are having, right, in some some subject. So logical and truth tables, maybe you are aware of that. True, false, true, false, for and gate, NAND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NOT gate. These kind of gates you are aware of that, right? And same thing only here. And we will store this one boolean variable or some expression in some variable, and then we will do operation in between those two variables. Avesh, are you clear?
Yeah, got it, sir.
So guys, if you are clear, so that I will I'll continue with another. So guys, so now I'll go to this one. So control structures. So what is control structure? So control structure is nothing but so generally, so when one program is going, right? So this is program. So this is program. For example, I'm like, so it will execution will be starting from 1st line, and it is a command, so that it will go out and it will come to 3rd line, and then 4th line, 5th line, 6th line, 7th line, 8th line, 9th line, something like that. So whenever control is going from top to bottom, what is happening? I want to control this flow. For example, I want to execute this particular block of code if some condition satisfy. If some condition satisfy, then only I'll execute this program. For example, if true, for example, if a is true, then only I'll execute whole this bunch of lines. Otherwise, I don't execute. I'll just straight away, I'll jump from 11th line to 18th line if a is false. So program we are controlling, right? You got it? We are controlling the flow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here in Python, where is this? Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about this one, selection or decision control statement. So in selection or decision statement, so it is nothing but it is just if condition. Maybe if few people are already aware of that, what is if condition, but still I'll explain. Just for example, in college, maybe you got it some grades, right? If 60% and above, grade 1, and if 75% and above, grade 2, and 80% and above, grade 3, and 90% above, grade 4, something like that. maybe just I'm trying to understand. If the student got 90%, I go then we will give A plus grade. And if the student got 85%, we will give B grade. Else we will give some other grade, something like that. You got it? If condition. So if that is the decision, we are making some decision based on the percentage. If 90% and above is A plus grade, something like that. Okay.
Yes,
Got it?
sir.
Yeah. So similarly, so there we are in Python. Python will support if statement or if statement and if else statement and if elif and else statement and nested if statement. Okay, we will go one by one and with examples. So here, so for example, so condition is true. For example, 1 second, where is this? If condition. So if condition, then body of if statement. So similarly, if you can see if condition, body of if statement. Similarly, if condition is true, this particular condition is true, then it will go inside of the body. So I declared number equals to 10, and if number is greater than 0, then it will go inside of the code. Similarly, I will show you where just now I showed you, right? See here, if let's assume if n equals to 10, if n greater than 0, then I will execute this block of code. Okay, the control will go inside. Guys, you got it? Control will go inside. Otherwise, if n is minus 10, then minus 10 is greater than 0, false. So what will happen? Directly it will jump from 3rd line to 12th line. It won't go inside. Okay, this is similar. If number is greater than 10, then it will go inside. What is this? Someone showing me something. Select, draw. Yes, you got see here, if it is true, then it will go inside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if it is false, if it is false, then it will go outside of the if block. So if whatever inside if condition, it won't execute. It won't come. Okay. It won't come. I hope everyone is clear. So, and we will go to some example. Oops. What is this? Okay. See, you can see I declared number equals to 10. If number greater than 10, print number is positive. I return. And print if statement is true. Irrespective of this statement, it will print. Okay. We'll try to execute so that you will see. Python 3 if dot. See, number is positive and the if statement is easy. Can you see? Similarly, I'll give -5. Whenever I'll give -5, it will come to the it will come to the 9th statement and it will check if number is greater than 0. If it is true, then it will go inside. Otherwise, it will go outside. So what it will print, it will say. if the if statement is easy. So the control didn't went under if condition. Okay, you
Yes,
got it?
sir.
I hope everyone is clear. If condition,
Yes, sir.
these are very important. Just be concentrate. And I'll come to the next. For example, in class, so we are having so 90 to 100 A plus grade. So and 90 to 80 A grade, something like that. If you will give, if student got 90%, then we will give A grade. Else we will give A grade. For example, there maybe I'll correct it my statement. So for example, there is we are having A grade and B grade, only 2 grades. So the students who will get 50 and above, they will get A grade. 50 and below, they'll get B grade. So what we'll do, if student got 50 or above, then we will get A grade. Else he will get B grade, something like that. Similarly. So we will check if and else condition. In if else condition, we will write some program. So what we will do, student 1 marks equals to 50. If student 1 marks greater than or equals to 50, then print student got A grade. Else print student got B grade. Okay. See, he got 50 marks and we are checking if student marks, this is expression. This expression is true or false. Student 1 marks greater than or equals to 50. It is true or not? Can you tell me someone?
True.
True. Then it will go if inside right. So it printed this one. For example, 49 I gave 49. What it will print now? Someone should help me. Student 1 marks, he got 49 marks. Which grade he will get?
No,
it?
it's false.
Student got
B
B.
grade.
B grade.
B grade.
Yeah, B grade. Student got B grade. Okay. I hope you got it.
It enters into else block.
Yeah, it enters into else block. I hope everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Cool then. Then, for example, in class, we are having 3 grades, A, B, C. A, B, C grade, for example, 70 and above or A grade. Else if what we will get it 70 to 50 B grade and 50 and below is C grade. So what we will do, so that kind of statement also it will support, Python will support. Where is this eraser? Okay. Where is this? Draw. Okay. See, for example, I'll go through this. Maybe with example only you guys will get it. If and if. So what it will do, if it will check condition, if it is conditional true, then it will go inside. Elif, ELIF, the keyword, remember keyword, LELIF, Elif, it will check second condition. If it is false, then it will go inside. For example, if all the conditions are gone and nothing is there, then it will go to the else block. Okay, I'll go through it. So for example, student marks equals to 75. If student 1 marks greater than or equals to 75, then print a grade. Only if student marks is greater than equals to 50 and student one marks less than or equals to 75, less than 75, then print grade, else okay. See guys, I declared if student if and if and else, it will come and it will check student marks 75 greater than or equals to 75. It is true, right? Then it will come if block and then it will come out from this particular loop. And let's assume he got some 30 marks. So it will, when it will come, student marks is 30, student marks 30 is greater than or equals to 75, false, then it will come inside. Student marks 30 is greater than or equals to 50, false, then it will immediately logical and, right? So one is false, then remaining all are false, so it won't execute another expression. So it will directly, it will come and it will print C grade. What is this? Python. What is if if dot
29th line, I hope it was error.
no, it's correct one. No, this is my some mark is there. Eraser. Yeah, that is some marker. So C grade. You can see C grade. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if I want to write one more grade, what's, for example, 50 to what is this? Some 60. I want to introduce one more grade. So what I'll do LE if student marks is greater than or equals to 60, greater than 60 yeah, and student marks is less than, this is not 60, some 40 I'll give. So I introduce one more grade, print some F grade. So whoever will got greater than 40 and less than 60, they'll get F grade. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone got it. If you're having any doubt, then I'll repeat it again.
Like, can we have more number of inputs? Continuous.
Yeah. So you mean expressions?
Like the student, yeah.
Yeah, you can add, for example, in if and something student marks is less than.
Instead of giving number, can we take from like from Excel sheet? Like
Excel sheet. Excel sheet. What Excel sheet you want?
Like already we have a 100 people having marks. We have to give like marks progress report.
Progress report. You want to
Yeah.
give progress report. So, for example, someone enters his marks, then we need to give grade for him. Something like that.
Instead of entering each marks, can we have like directly? Can you take from the?
Exactly, we can do that one, because for that we need for example, I got it, what you got it. For example, we will take dictionary, student data equals to dictionary, student name, what is this, roll number 1 we got 40 marks. and roll number 2, he got 55 marks, and roll number 3, he got 70 marks. So what I'll do for p comma value, what is this? Roll comma marks in data, student data or items if so this condition we will keep it inside. Anything others you want? You want something else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do it, but I did not tell for loop, right? That's why I did not give. Okay, I'll explain next for loop. Okay, just be patient that time, till that time. Okay, I'll give some combinations and all. You got it right, something like that you want, but I'll explain you later. Okay, while we are
Sure,
multiple data items. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and one more thing, we are having one more, where is this nested if? I forgot nested if. Yeah, maybe I coded. So there will be one more thing. So we can have nested if condition. So nested if condition, nested means if, nested if means if in a if, nested for means for in a for. So if condition inside if condition. For example, it will go and it will check if condition 1 is true, then it will go inside this code block, and then inside also there is one more condition, if condition 2, then it will go inside of second condition, something like that. So I'll give example so that you'll understand. Number equals to 5. If number is greater than 0, then it will go inside. If number equals to 0, then number is 0. Otherwise, print number is positive. So that you can see Python 3 nested. See, number is positive. It print only number is positive. If number is greater than 0, it went. Where is this? It went inside. Number is greater than 0. It went inside, and it went number equals to 0, false. Then inside if condition, it printed number is positive. If I give 0, then it will go inside number is 0. It should print number is 0. For example, I gave -1. So what it should print if condition, if number is greater than 0, true, false. So it will come out and it will print negative. Number is negative. Can you see? So if condition is there, inside if condition, we are keeping one more if condition. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, this is if statement. So I'll recap everything from today's class. So today we discussed about identity operator and membership operator and logical operator, and what is control structure, and inside that one select decision control structure we discussed. In the decision control structure, we discussed multiple methods. So first one, I'll come to identity operator. Identity name itself, it is telling that whether it is or is not. So if we will store x equals to 10, y equals to 10, x is y, so that x, whatever value we are storing in x is we are storing value in y, so that it will compare both the values, but it won't applicable for lists. Similarly, membership operator. Membership is nothing but whether particular member is presenting into the particular iterable, or you can see what is that tuple for tuple, list, set, and what we will call which data type that is. Guys, can you recall that one? What is that data type name? sequence. You guys remember sequence data type? Sequence data type, tuple, list, this one. Similarly, so tuple, list, and one more thing, I forgot that one. So similarly, set also, it will work with set, it will work with the dictionary and all. So that is membership operator. And logical operator. Logical operators we will just check two expressions, whether true or false, or directly we will check Boolean values, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, something like that. And coming to the control structure. Control structure means we are controlling the programming, which line needs to be executed. In that, we are having first type is decision statement. So decision means whether we are taking decision, whether if we will go inside the block or not. That is kind of decision. So that is the decision statement. Inside the decision statement, we are having multiple types. One is just if and condition. If that particular condition is true, then it will go inside. And coming back to if else, if that condition is true, then it will go inside. Else it will, if condition is false, directly it will jump into the else block. And if and else, so it will check every condition. If that condition is true, it will go inside that block. If it will check that condition, it will go inside that block. Something like that. And similarly, nested if within a if is called nested if. I hope my revision also done. If anyone having any doubt?
No doubts.
No doubts?
No, sir.
Everyone is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Where is this? So I'll wait for 5 more minutes. If you're having any doubts, then I'll explain. Anything? Okay, from starting class or second class, whatever. And if you went through the video and didn't get, then I'll explain. You guys got it? Why your friends are not here today's class? Do you have any idea about all of them?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Anyone having any contact? If yes, please tell me. To join. If you're having okay. Guys, if you don't have any doubt, then I'll leave. Guys, I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are fine, then I'll leave. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.